Jimdo is one of those website builders that promises simplicity and speed by leveraging AI. And after spending some serious time using it, I have a lot to share. When you first land on the Jimdo homepage, the design is clean and modern. The sign-up process is frictionless, and you're prompted to answer a few questions so the AI can generate a personalized website layout for you. That's a strong point for beginners or anyone wanting to skip manual design work. Once you're in, the dashboard is minimal and easy to navigate. But here's where it gets interesting. Jimdo separates its platform into two modes, Dolphin and Creator. Dolphin is AI-assisted and great for fast deployment, but lacks customization. Creator gives more control, but comes with a learning curve and isn't as intuitive. I started with Dolphin to test the automation. It does a decent job, especially with choosing fonts and color palettes based on your brand. But if you want more than the basics, you'll quickly feel boxed in. Switching to Creator mode unlocked more flexibility. I could finally tweak individual design elements, add custom code blocks, and manage SEO settings. But the drag-and-drop interface isn't as smooth as competitors, like Wix or Squarespace. It lags occasionally, and some modules just don't respond well to resizing or formatting. What surprised me was the built-in SEO tools. Jimdo lets you edit meta titles, descriptions, and alt tags fairly easily, but lacks real-time optimization tips or keyword suggestions, which means you need some background knowledge to make the most of it. The e-commerce functionality is there, but it's clearly tailored to small shops. You can add products, manage stock, and accept payments through Stripe or PayPal, but more advanced features, like abandoned cart recovery or multi-currency support, are missing unless you're on a higher-tier plan. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, Altahose turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Mobile responsiveness is solid. Jimdo automatically optimizes layouts for phones and tablets. However, there's no mobile-specific editor, so what you see on desktop is what you get on mobile. One feature that really stands out is the legal text generator, especially useful in Europe. It automatically creates GDPR-compliant privacy policies and terms, a lifesaver for small businesses. Now, let's talk performance. Jimdo websites load reasonably fast, but aren't blazing. If your site is image-heavy, you might notice some delays. Uptime during testing was stable, with no outages over a 3-week period. But analytics integration is weak. You can connect Google Analytics, but built-in insights are very limited, just basic traffic and source data. Pricing is competitive if you only need the basics. But once you start scaling, especially for e-commerce or multilingual needs, the cost quickly adds up. And customer support? It's email-based unless you're on a business or higher plan. No live chat, and response times can stretch into days during peak hours. If you're a freelancer, blogger, or run a small business, Jimdo can work, especially as speed and ease matter most. But if customization, growth, or advanced tools are on your radar, you might hit a ceiling sooner than expected. Thanks for watching this full review of Jimdo. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews every week.